Ibada ya asubuhi,
the morning devotion,
mara nyingi Mungu hutumia kuangusha ngome.
most of the time God uses it
katika maisha ya watu,
to break the stronghold among the life of
ambacho adui,
everything that the enemy
anaweza kakijenga,
has created,
kizuie kutoka au kuingia,
that it should stop bind you.
Ibada ya asubuhi,
the morning devotion,
kushughulikia vitu kama hivyo,
work on all those things.
Jambo la tatu ambalo tuliona katika faida ya maombi ya asubuhi,
the third thing that we saw,
Mungu hufanya yale ambayo kwa akili za kawaida hayawezekani.
God does what cannot be done.
Yasiyowezekana yanawezekana.
What it is impossible is made possible.
Ibada ya asubuhi,
the morning devotion,
itakusaidia,
will help you.
Kila unachokiona hakiwezekani,
whatever you see being impossible,
kitawezekana,
will be possible.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana.
Praise God.
Lakini jambo la nne ambalo tunataka tujifunze hapa na tukamwombe Mungu,
the fourth thing that I would wish to,
tulisema katika ibada ya asubuhi,
we said in the morning devotion,
moja ya kitu kingine kinachowezekana kwenye ibada hiyo,
what is done in that morning devotion,
Mungu hutimiza ndoto zetu.
God does the dreams that we have.
Mungu hutimiza ndoto zetu katika mpango wake.
God make our dreams in reality.
Ndoto zetu zinatimia katika mpango wa Mungu.
Our dreams become true in the plan of God.
Moja ya faida ya ibada ya asubuhi,
the benefit of morning devotion,
hutimiza ndoto zetu.
Our dreams being true.
Au ndoto yako,
your dream,
itimie katika mpango wa Mungu.
that it should be fulfilled in the plan of God.